Today we are bringing you an easy last-minute activity for the 4th of July. This is one of those simple things you can do maybe if you're waiting for the barbecue and if you have some poster board around the home. Just cut it into some little strips and we're going to have a star race. So with our strips we're just going to see who can be the person to fold the fastest 5-point star. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's got to be pretty close, right? So that it's not like one super long one, but all of them pretty much at the same length. Are you ready? Alright, on your mark. Get set. Fold! Just gonna use my math brain here for a second.
Wait, it doesn't have to be, it can just be the outline?
Oh, what were you thinking? Oh, you're going that way. Yeah, see, I was just gonna do the outline, but that actually gives me a better idea. I know what I can do for a 5-point star. Probably wasn't what we were picturing, but maybe any 5-point star. I gotta shorten my folds just a little bit though. It's gonna work. This one's gonna work. No, it's not. I gotta fold it in some more.
Wait.
It's really testing my math right now. Oh, there would have been a much faster way to fold this accordion.
Does it have to be a 5-point star? I don't know how to make a 4-point.
Ta-da! It's a 5-point star! Not quite what we were picturing. Do you want me to fold it?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I still am picturing, I think, a little bit different from you. See, the way you're doing it is pretty incredible. I was still thinking of the outline. It's as if I were to draw it on paper. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pretend I'm going to go star.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Pretend that I'm drawing it on. That's going to go a lot better for me. How's that for a 5-point star? I don't think that's there quite yet. Up, up, down. My stars are not looking so good. Down, over. This should not be that hard, but it's crazy. Your brain just isn't used to drawing in folds. How's that? Does that pass the test?
What even is that?
It's a star.
Mine looks more like a star.
Let's see it. We lost one of your 5 points. I thought this would be a really simple one. That is so funny. Up, down. You know what? I'm gonna make mine smaller. Maybe that'll help me. I'm going for one big giant fold. Down the center. Up, down, over. Okay, yep, this one's getting closer. Now I just gotta make it a little smaller. That's not what I was picturing either. Apparently, we were allowing lots of creativity in this one.
Boom.
Oh, because I just got one too.
Boom. There. 5-point star.
5-point star. So these are our awesome 5-point stars. We would love to see what you come up with your paper strip in the star race. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
I still think mine's better.
I think yours is awesome.